Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a SIN number for Canada using online method. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, if you haven't subscribed, again subscribe it. So guys, I have opened this Service Canada page in front of you. Okay, here I have gone for this apply, update, and obtain a SIN confirmation. You don't have to do it if you already have one, but like let's say a situation you are a permanent, you are a temp resident. Okay, now you have become permanent. Okay, so definitely you're gonna change your SIN number because earlier it was temporary SIN begins with 9. Now you're gonna get a permanent. So on this page, you're gonna select that who you are doing. You're applying for yourself, so you're gonna select this. What's your status? Current status. Okay, permanent resident. How you gonna go apply? Online. It tells you all the information that you need. Permanent card issued one of the following COPR. Okay, for example, if you have immediately done your landing, maybe your card is not present. Okay, if the COPR is within 1 year. Okay, otherwise they need PR card. Okay, all right. Record of landing issued by. Okay, fine. Secondary document, passport, Canadian provincial territorial card or driving license. Okay, like photo card or driving a supporting document. If the name on uh, any document is different, then you need this. Okay, legal. Otherwise, you're good. You can apply only. This is like a free service, so nothing you need to worry about. You can read these terms condition. Click OK. Now select which best describe the situation. So I'm selecting apply for yourself. Okay, and I go to next. Okay. What is your current status in can current? Okay. How you're gonna receive? So you digitally by registering or signing into this. Save by mail. Okay. So I'm selecting this. You can select this also, but Canada Post strike is on. So this is not gonna be forever, but yeah, as of now, it could be disrupted and nobody knows for how long. Preferred language of correspondence. I select this. Would like to receive email notification once your application is received. If you uncheck this, can I uncheck? No, I cannot. Okay, fine. So email is required because it's online. So I'm just gonna put some sample. You do carefully and verify because it's like same number. So verify everything at least 2 times, not just once. Oh, they're gonna verify. So okay, so I cannot use this sample. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop sharing now. I'm gonna do this email verification. Then I'm gonna. Okay, guys. So I have gone through that verification. What it does, it sends a code to you, your email address. That code you need to put in. Okay. What is your first name? So do it as per your case and verify every field at least 2 times. Okay, if you have any other given name, provide that. Otherwise, proceed. Surname. What's the family name at birth? If you have any doubt about any question, click on this question mark, information mark, and it will get it for you. Have you ever used any other family name? If yes, enter birthplace. Select what country you were born. So I select which province territory you were born or state you were born. So I'll just select New Delhi, New Delhi. Enter date of birth as per your case. Gender. Are you part of multiple but twin triplet? I select no. Have you ever had a sin? Okay, this is where if if you let's say if you're a temp resident, let's say for work permit holder and you converted your status to permanent resident, then you're gonna select yes. If you have landed as a permanent resident, you were in other country, you got selected through express into your other program and you came here as a permanent resident or you are a sponsored spouse, then you're gonna select no. Introducing if known, what are the kind of application you wish to submit. So in the scenario I specified, like if you were a temp resident and now you become a permanent resident, so then you're gonna select this, change the status on a SIN record. Okay, any correction, then this one, request confirmation, then this one. Then so you can select this one. Okay, this is not mandatory, I'm leaving it, but if you already had a SIN number, you can definitely enter. Why to hide it? No reason. Your phone number, mailing address, and then address will come here and you will select yes, it's correct. Okay, I'm just and then in next stage it will ask you to submit the documents. Okay, of course I'm not going to go to that document submission and other things, but you got an idea how you can do that. Once you are done, you're going to get a confirmation email, and from there it's going to be processed. So that's how simple it is, guys, and let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.